In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Microsoft PowerPoint. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to office.com. This is Microsoft's official site for all Office apps, so it's the safest place to download PowerPoint. Once the page loads, look for the Sign In button. Sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have one yet, you can create it right there on the site. It only takes a moment and will be used to manage your license and keep your apps in sync across devices. After you're signed in, look toward the upper right corner for the Install Office button. Click that, then choose Microsoft 365 Apps. This option downloads the installer that includes PowerPoint along with the other core Office apps like Word and Excel. That's normal and ensures everything works together properly. Your browser will begin downloading the installer file. When the download finishes, open your Downloads folder and double-click the file to run it. On Windows, it's usually an .exe file, and you may be asked to allow the app to make changes. Choose Yes to continue. On a Mac, it's typically a .pkg or DMG file. Double-click it and follow the prompts. Most people can accept the default settings without changing anything. A stable internet connection helps here because the installer may fetch additional components in the background. Now, give the installation time to complete. This can take several minutes depending on your connection and your computer's speed. It's a good idea to keep other large downloads paused while this runs. You'll see progress indicators, and when it's done, you'll get a confirmation that the apps are ready. Next, open PowerPoint to activate it. On Windows, click the Start menu, type PowerPoint, and select it from the results. When PowerPoint launches, sign in with the same Microsoft account you used earlier. That sign-in activates your license on this device and unlocks all features. You'll know it worked when your account name appears in the corner of the app window. If you're prompted to enable updates, it's best to leave automatic updates on so you always have the latest features and security fixes. That's it. PowerPoint is now installed and ready to use. You can create a new presentation, open existing files, or explore templates to get started quickly. If you ever switch devices, just repeat this process and sign in to keep your presentations and settings in sync.